Yo, what is on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to fix one of BMW's worst / best features in these cars. I don't know about you guys, but every single time I try to get in my car and grab the seatbelt, I basically break my freaking shoulder reaching all the way back here to pull the seatbelt out because the seatbelt extender just never catches it. So today I'm gonna be showing you a little upgrade that you can do to that little seatbelt extender arm to make sure it grabs the seatbelt and it hands it to you every single time. So for those of y'all who are not familiar with this feature, basically when you put the key in the ignition and you click the push start button, you'll notice that when you're sitting down and you put the key in the ignition, the car has these seatbelt retractors. And basically what these do is they extend out and they're supposed to hand you your seatbelt. But as you guys can see, they always miss. Over time, this little part right here gets loose and floppy and it just does not catch the seatbelt how it's supposed to. It's supposed to catch the seatbelt right in here, but it just does not happen. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to fix this issue quickly, simply, and effectively. So right here, guys, I have the fix for that issue. I'll leave a link down below where you can actually purchase your own seatbelt extender little fix tools right here, but they're super simple. They basically just mount straight onto the extender. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm actually gonna be starting to make these on my own and push them out there for y'all to purchase. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Cool, so now that we have this open, we can see that it is packaged very nicely. But now, bam, here they are. These two little pieces of plastic are gonna fix that issue. And so I opted for the black color just because I feel like it's gonna blend in with the interior very well. But these are actually offered in tons of other colors. Like I said, I'm actually gonna be starting to make these on my own and push them out there for y'all and offer these as a solution for a fraction of the price I bought these ones. And what we're gonna start off by doing is removing this silver trim piece right here. So we should be able to get a plastic pry tool in there and just remove this silver trim. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And now for this, go ahead and just grab yourself some plastic pry tools so we can go ahead and pry that piece off. I think this one right here is thin enough to get in there. And so as you guys can see, what I basically went ahead and did was just left this inside. You don't even have to retract it. And you fit this tool right in the silver part and just start to pry. And don't pull too hard where you start pulling the arm out because you can damage something. But you're literally holding just like that. You're holding the black arm in and just pulling off this little cover just like that. Sweet, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab the other piece that is actually supposed to fix our extender arm and replace this. And so now to make sure that you don't put the wrong piece on the wrong side, you're literally just gonna go ahead and line it up. Don't put it on yet and make sure that fits. You can see that the teeth fit and that it conforms to the correct shape that's supposed to be. And so obviously use common sense. The arm is gonna come out and pull the seatbelt out this way. So this is actually gonna be the correct piece for the passenger side right over here. And then the other piece will be for the driver side. So now we're gonna go ahead and peel off this little piece right here that is covering the 3M adhesive tape. So now we can see that the adhesive tape is showing. So make sure you just line it up correctly the first time so you don't pull it off and have to keep retrying. We're just gonna go ahead and put this on just like how we removed the other one. It's literally gonna go on this simply. The teeth are gonna line up, then push it into place. Don't apply a crazy amount of pressure. Like I said, you don't want to damage the arm. You just want to make sure that it seats itself all nice and tight in there. And then just maintain pressure here for about 10, 15, 30 seconds just to make sure it really bonds, and then let go. Sweet, so now that that is put on there, we're gonna do the same exact thing for the other side. Just gonna get this in there. Remember, try not to pull the arm out. Kind of try to hold the arm in place, then just peel it off, just like that. Sweet, and go ahead and grab our other piece. Our adhesive tape is removed. We're going to go ahead and pop this into position. Make sure these teeth line up on the actual piece itself, then press it into position. Maintain pressure here for 10-15 seconds. Sweet, so now these are all both installed. We can go ahead and test these out. Now our key is in the ignition, so let's go ahead and close our door right here, and we're going to test it out. So bam, and now we should, bam, look at that. I even have this thick foamy with a little German flag on it. Still holds well. Now that it's extended, I'm basically grabbing this little flappy piece and making sure it's really on there tight. But yeah, guys, it works. It just handed me my seatbelt. It's the first time since I've owned this car that it's done that. And I've been able to just reach over and grab the seatbelt. Usually I have to reach my whole arm back here and freaking break my arm just to grab the seatbelt. But as we can see, this thing works, guys. And we'll go ahead and open the door. See that retracts. Now we're going to close it one more time. Look at that. It freaking works, guys. It's grabbing my seatbelt. So I am hyped 10 out of 10 recommend, and I will leave a link for this product down below. Well, there we have it, guys. I highly recommend this product. This is literally the first time since I've owned the car that I've actually had the seatbelt extenders work, and it really is such a great feature, you know? Like, it's one of those little things that honestly just makes such a big difference. Everybody always gets in the car and asks what those arms are supposed to do because they always shoot in and out, but they never actually work. And it's such a sick feature to have. It's so convenient. BMW is definitely ahead of its time for actually adding that feature into their car. Now you guys know how to fix those little extender arms and actually have your car hand you the seat belts. Like I said, guys, I'll leave a link for that product down below. I'm actually gonna be producing my own soon, and I'm gonna push them out to y'all. But yeah, if you guys like this video, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all, and smash that subscribe button if you guys want to see more content like this to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.